Title: How elevator faults should be diagnosed safely. Hook: When an elevator fails, the first question should not be, which part should we replace? The better question is, what system is affected? And is the elevator still safe to operate? Elevator troubleshooting is not about quick fixes, it is about identifying the fault category, protecting safety circuits, and diagnosing the affected system before corrective work begins. This is especially important because elevator faults may involve doors, brakes, traction systems, motors, control circuits, safety switches, governors, or power supply problems. And these systems directly affect passenger safety boundary. Before going further, one point must be clear. Elevator troubleshooting should be performed by qualified elevator maintenance personnel. Building owners, hotel managers, property managers, or users should not bypass safety devices, short door locks, force repeated resets, or adjust control parameters without proper diagnosis. Their role is to record symptoms, stop unsafe operation, and contact trained service providers. A good troubleshooting process begins with information, not guessing. Step A. Identify the fault category elevator. Faults can generally be grouped into several categories. The first category is design, manufacturing, or installation. Related faults: if a problem comes from design defects, manufacturing quality, or installation errors, the system should not be adjusted blindly. The manufacturer, installer, or maintenance provider should be involved before corrective work begins. The second category is operational faults. These may result from improper use, unauthorized manipulation of switches, misuse of control functions, or interference with safety devices. The third category is component failure. This is one of the most common types. Mechanical problems may involve friction, wear, poor lubrication, transmission damage, guide rail issues, or traction component wear. Electrical problems may involve contactors, relays, resistors, wiring, sensors, or electronic components. The category matters because it helps maintenance teams decide where to begin. Step A. Elevator does not start. One common fault is that the elevator does not start. Possible causes may include power supply problems, low voltage, phase loss, incorrect phase sequence, doors not fully closed, door interlock failure, safety door activation, emergency stop activation, or safety switches that have not reset. For building managers, this means the useful information to record includes: did the elevator respond to a call? Were the doors fully closed? Was there any fault display? Did an emergency stop button remain active? Was there a recent power interruption? Did the fault happen after maintenance or power restoration? This information helps technicians narrow the diagnosis. Step A. Slow movement, resistance, or noise. Another common issue is that the elevator starts but moves slowly, feels heavy, or makes abnormal noise. This may involve brake shoes that do not release completely, brake clearance that is too small, brake coil problems, low brake voltage, poor motor power contact, low supply voltage, reducer lubrication failure, guide rail misalignment, worn guide shoes, debris, or uneven rope tension. Abnormal noise should not be ignored. Friction noise may indicate guide shoe wear, guide rail contamination, safety gear clearance, problem rubbing, traction sheave wear. These are not problems that should be solved by repeated operation. They should be inspected before the elevator is returned to normal service. Step A. Leveling and door problems. Leveling problems are also common. If an elevator stops above or below floor level, possible causes may include insufficient braking force, excessive braking force, counterweight imbalance, incorrect leveling sensor position, burned contactor contacts, reed switch failure, or brake malfunction. Door problems are another major category. If the doors open or close slowly, fail to reset, or do not operate consistently, technicians may need to inspect the door operator motor. Limit switches, contactors, relays, door rollers, seal tracks, belts, pulleys, or safety edge mechanism. For passengers, a door issue may look minor, but for the elevator system, door locks and safety circuits are critical. A door fault should never be bypassed just to keep the elevator running. Step A. Traction, overspeed, and safety components. Some faults require especially serious attention. Traction, rope slippage, downward overspeed movement, governor activation, or safety gear issues may involve brake torque, counterweight balance, overload, excess lubrication on ropes, traction sheave wear, insufficient wrap angle, governor failure, or safety gear malfunction. These are safety critical systems. If the governor, safety gear, brake, traction rope, or door lock system is involved, operation should stop until qualified personnel inspect the elevator. Step A. Motor and electrical faults. Motor faults can also cause elevator problems. A three-phase induction motor may fail to start because of overload, mechanical blockage, low voltage, bearing wear, or electrical imbalance. Motor problems may also appear as speed drop, under load, abnormal noise, vibration, overheating, smoke, low insulation resistance, or bearing overheating. Electrical symptoms such as frequent fuse, blowing, live motor housing, relay failure, burned contacts, or unstable voltage should be handled carefully. These issues can affect both equipment reliability and user safety. Building manager checklist before calling maintenance. Building managers can document what happened before the fault. Did the elevator stop, move slowly, or fail to start? Were passengers inside? Was there abnormal noise, smell, vibration, or overheating? Did the doors fail to close or open? Was the elevator level with the floor? Was there a power outage or voltage issue? Did any safety device activate? Conclusion: elevator troubleshooting should begin with systems thinking. Do not start by replacing parts randomly. Do not bypass safety switches. Do not repeatedly reset faults without understanding the cause. Start by identifying the fault category, recording the symptoms, protecting passengers, and allowing qualified maintenance personnel to diagnose the affected system for more details. You can read the full elevator troubleshooting guide here. https://EKCNE Elevator. Troubleshooting guide Fei.